Unlock the full potential of Elixir by mastering modules and functions. This is the difference between writing code and crafting efficient software. Stay tuned because in this video we'll unravel these concepts, empowering you to take your Elixir skills to the next level. Let's hop right into it. So first, let's understand what modules and functions are in Elixir. A module in Elixir is a way to group functions. Functions in Elixir are grouped into modules, and they are defined with the keyword def inside a module. Modules are a way to group functions. They're defined using the def module keyword. Functions, on the other hand, are defined with the def keyword within a module. Here's a simple example of a module with one function. This code, greetings is the module and say hello is a function within that module. The IOPuts line is a function that prints out the text hello world. To call the function, we use the format modulename.function_name. So if we wanted to call our say hello function, we'd write greetings. I'll write it out. Greetings.say hello. In Elixir, functions are identified by their name and their arity, the number of arguments they take. This means that you can have multiple functions with the same name but different arities. Let's modify our greetings module to look something like this. In this example, say hello is defined twice, once with 0 arguments and once with 1 argument. When you call greetings.say_hello, it will print hello world, but if you call greetings.say hello Alice, it will print hello Alice. In Elixir, we can define private functions using the def keyword. These functions can only be called from within the module they're defined in. Let's extend our greetings module to include a private function. In this code, private message is a private function. It can be called from say hello, but not from outside the greetings module. Alright, so that's going to be it for this lesson. You now know the basics of modules and functions in Elixir, how to define them, how to call them, how aridity works, and how to create private functions. If you guys found this helpful or enjoyed, drop a like down below, leave a comment in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one.